So today we have Chris. Chris is a day trader, and so he has some low back issues. Any neck issues you got, Chris?
Sometimes a little neck stiffness from looking at the phone.
Looking at the phone, looking at the computer. So if you work from home, a lot of people work from home now, more so than ever. So we got a lot of people that come into the office with some upper cross syndrome, they're hunched over, looking at computers and laptops. You definitely need to get adjusted. Chris's first adjustment, he's been to a physical therapist, never been to a chiropractor though. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Just relax, just relax. A little more.
That feels a lot better. Yeah, it was definitely stiff.
Stiff. Yeah. Okay, just relax. Slide over from just a little bit. I got you. The knee won't let you fall. Okay. Just relax. Let's see, test it out.
Feel a lot more straight.
Good.
From before.
Yeah. See, we straighten you out more, you make more money.
Yeah.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
So today we have Chris. Chris is a day trader, and so he has some low back issues. Any neck issues you got, Chris?
Sometimes a little neck stiffness from looking at the phone.
Looking at the phone, looking at the computer. So if you work from home, a lot of people work from home now, more so than ever. So we got a lot of people that come into the office with some upper cross syndrome because they're hunched over, looking at the computers and laptops. You definitely need to get adjusted. It's Chris's first adjustment, he's been to a physical therapist, never been to a chiropractor though. Let's see what we can do. Just relax. Think happy thoughts, man. You gotta think about the options. Chris's neck is stiff, man. All right, you gotta relax. I got you. Let your head drop into my hand. Let it drop. A little bit more. Let it drop. Just relax. A little bit more.
That feels a lot better. Yeah, it was definitely stiff. Yeah. Really stiff.
Yeah, I can see like you're fighting because I can tell it's like a little aggravating even when I turn it a little bit. So I'm trying to get you to just to loosen up a little bit. So that's gonna make it go to the best. And just relax, Just go limp. There we go. Just let it drop in. There we go. A little bit more. Still looks stiff. Still yeah. How are you feeling now?
Feeling pretty good.
Pretty good? Alright, ready to make some more money, man.
Yeah.
Alright, come on up. Okay, just relax. Slide over from me just a little bit. I got you. The knee won't let you fall.
Okay.
Just relax. Just relax. Relax. There we go. Just relax. Good. Let me have you lay on your stomach, face down. All right, Chris, how are you feeling so far?
Feeling good.
Feeling good? So, usually when people have this kyphosis, you see this, you feel how like you're so stiff right here?
Yeah.
Pause. So this is gonna cause this kyphosis is what we're developing, right? So we gotta work on building up posterior deltoids, rhomboids, stretching your lats, stretching your traps. That's gonna help with some of these issues right here that you have. Alright. What we're doing now is called flexion distraction. Just open up the disc, any low back issues you might be having. Flexion. There we go. All right, what I want you to do is Stay right there. Lift this right leg up for me and keep it straight without bending it. As high as you can. Good. And down. Left leg. Back down. Right leg again. Down. Left leg. It seems to be a little unstable on this side, but I know you just had that surgery on that side, so we're gonna still see if we can try to level it out just a little bit. Just relax, just relax. Oh, that was a lot, man.
Bit.
Good. One more time. Good. How you feel?
Feel a lot better. Like a lot of the stiffness, it's gone.
Yeah. Stand up and see if you test it out.
Definitely. Feel a lot more straight.
Good.
From before.
Yeah. See, we straighten you out more, you make more money.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Good to go.